How to add customer data in Brevo. So first go to your account and then click on contacts here at the top left. Next here, just click on import contacts and then select which one you're going to import. So as for me, I'm just going to select contacts and then click on continue here. Then choose which one of the three you're going to use here. So I'm going to use import from a file. Just click on that and then click on select your file here and then just select your file. Okay, now once that's uploaded, you just need to click on confirm your file. And then make sure that there are no errors here. If there's a red column here, that means there's an error. So let's just select this one. And then once all of this are okay, your mapping data, and then just click on confirm mapping. And then just select which list you're going to import it to. So I'm going to import it to this example list here, and then click on confirm your list. Now here, you just need to finalize your import, turn on which one you're going to turn on here, and then you just need to click on I confirm, and then click on confirm your import, and then it'll begin importing your data. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.